Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to see how to create a database in Mysql, how to drop the database in Mysql, and how you can see the list of all databases. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. So let's get started with this video. So the first thing that we are going to learn today is how to create database in Mysql. So you can see on your screen there is a PHP my admin is open, where there is a database, SQL status, user account and export. All these options are coming. You have to go to the SQL, and here the syntax of creating the database is create database, and after database you have to type the database name. So this is the basic syntax through which you can create a database, create database and database name. The database name can be according to you. Here I will type the database name as Letsfindcourse, and this is the database that I'm going to create. Create database is the command which is used to create a database in Mysql. I will click that option, go option, and after that you can see on the left side that the Letsfindcourse, this is the database that is created. Now if you want to see the list of all the database that is present, then you just have to go to that SQL and you have to type show databases. So this is the command which is used to, it will give you the list of all the database that is present. You can see the list of all the databases present. There is information schema, there is a Letsfindcourse, Mysql, performance schema, PHP myadmin and test. So this is the Letsfindcourse is the database that we have created right now. So in this way you can see the list of all the database present. So if you want to drop the database, then the drop database and database name will be used. Here instead of database name, you will give the name of the database that you want to delete. Suppose we have created the Letsfindcourse database just now. If I type Letsfindcourse and I will and when I fire this query, you can see on the left side that the Letsfindcourse database is deleted. If you want to see if the database is deleted or not, you just have to type show databases. It will give you the list of all the database again, and when I go with this query, you can see the list of all the databases that is present, and you can see Letsfindcourse database is not there. It means that Letsfindcourse database is deleted. So and while creating the database, the one of the most important thing that you should keep in mind that you should give yourself as an admin access and admin privileges, so that you can create table and you can do all the functioning in the databases. So this is one of the most foremost thing that might keep in mind while creating the database. And the drop database is one of the most crucial command, and it will delete the database, it will delete all the tables, it will delete all the data. So before firing this drop database query, just check if you want to delete that database or not. This is about MySQL databases, how to create database, how to drop database, and how you can see the list of all the database. So if you haven't liked this video, please like this video, comment your thought, what you think about this video. If you haven't shared this video, please share this video with your friends and with everyone who wants to learn SQL. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. We'll see you in our next video.